The Nasdaq AI index surged 19% in a single week, setting a historic record. This rally was triggered by the U.S. White House's Monday announcement of Project Genesis, a national AI strategy being compared to a New Era Manhattan Project. This executive order, personally signed by President Trump, is no ordinary policy document. The White House explicitly stated it represents the largest mobilization of federal scientific resources since the Apollo moon landing program. The Department of Energy will integrate supercomputing resources from all national laboratories to build an unprecedented AI experimental platform. More notably, U.S. Chief of Staff Carl Coy publicly emphasized that the significance of this AI race is no less than that of the World War II-era Manhattan Project or the U.S.-Soviet space race. Such high-level national prioritization signals that AI development has been elevated to a national strategic level. Capital markets reacted swiftly and sharply. Beyond the Nasdaq AI index's stunning surge, several leading AI companies saw their stock prices skyrocket, reflecting strong investor optimism about the industrial prospects unleashed by Project Genesis. Core objectives and expected impact. The core goal of Project Genesis is to use artificial intelligence to accelerate scientific discovery. Director of the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy, Michael Kratsios, revealed that the plan will dramatically shorten R&D cycles, compressing research processes that once took 10 years into just 1 month. This leap in efficiency is set to fundamentally reshape scientific research paradigms, particularly in the energy sector. The U.S. Secretary of Energy clearly stated that one ultimate aim is to boost energy supply, enhance grid efficiency, and ultimately exert downward pressure on electricity prices, addressing critical energy consumption bottlenecks and AI development. Investment perspective. Currently, tech giants' capital expenditure in AI accounts for up to 60% of their total cash flow, a historic high. This investment scale underscores strong corporate confidence in AI's technological future. However, a rational outlook is necessary. A Bank of America fund manager survey from October indicates about 54% of fund managers believe tech stock valuations are currently elevated. Retail investors should recognize that this market movement is driven not only by short-term policy tailwinds, but also reflects AI technology reaching a critical inflection point. A recent JP Morgan report highlighted that AI-related capital expenditure already contributed 1.1% to GDP growth in the first half of 2025, establishing it as a key engine of economic expansion. Broader implications. The launch of Project Genesis marks AI's entry into a new developmental phase. The initiative will drive deep integration of AI in materials science, healthcare, and energy, promising breakthrough discoveries and technological innovations. Notably, the plan also emphasizes public-private collaboration. The U.S. government has already partnered with multiple tech giants to jointly advance AI infrastructure and application deployment, accelerating AI industrialization. Of course, we must remain clear-eyed. No new technology advances without hurdles. AI still faces multiple challenges including technical bottlenecks, ethical regulation, and privacy protection. While pursuing opportunities, investors must fully acknowledge potential risks. Long-term outlook. In the long run, AI is reshaping the global economic landscape and industrial ecosystems. This technology-driven transformation will profoundly influence development pathways across all sectors. For the general public, understanding AI trends and grasping the pulse of technological change may hold greater value than focusing solely on short-term market fluctuations. This AI wave, ignited by Project Genesis, involves not just capital market trends, but also the future direction of technology. It reminds us, we are at a critical juncture in a technological revolution. Everyone should actively seek to understand the profound impacts of this transformation.